This card trick is easy to learn, yet incredibly powerful and deceptive. This is the card trick that fooled Donald Trump, but will it fool you? The magician took a packet of cards and fairly counted them out in front of Donald Trump. There were 8 cards in total. The cards were squared up and displayed again so Trump knew that they were all different. They were then cut as many times as Donald Trump wanted, so that he knew that there was no set order. The magician then laid out all the cards and told Trump that one of the cards was different from the rest. All Trump had to do was not choose the one card that was different from the rest. Trump pointed at the Jack of Clubs, guessing that that card was not different from the rest. He then suddenly changed his mind to the Two of Clubs, saying that that card was what he wanted instead. The magician took the 2 and fairly placed it on the table in front of Trump. He then showed that all the cards in his hands were from the same deck and all had blue backs. However, despite having a free choice and despite changing his mind, the card that Donald Trump chose was from a red deck and had his name written on the back. Trump was fooled. In order to do this trick, take 4 blue cards and 4 red cards. If you like, you can also write someone's name on the back of one set of the cards too, like I've done with the red cards. Place the cards in an alternating order as shown, going red, blue, etc. Count out your cards in front of the spectator, showing that there are only 8. You can also cut the cards as many times as you like, as it does not change the fact that the cards are in alternating order from red to blue. Spread out the cards and let the spectator choose any card that they like. Bring that card to the top and place it on the table. Now comes the only sleight you need for this trick. Slide across the first card into your other hand and then turn over both that card and the deck as shown. This creates the illusion that both the 6 of clubs and 2 of clubs are blue, when in reality the 2 of clubs is red. Place both cards on the table and keep repeating this process. The final card you can show cleanly. Then turn over the spectator's card to reveal that it's a different colour. This move will only require a tiny amount of practice and will allow you to perform this simple yet powerful card trick.